Good morning, my name is Daniela Ceron, and we would to talk about our careers. My partners are
Laura Ballesteros and I study biology.
And I am Alejandro Fajardo, and I'm studying electronic engineering.
Materials engineers are trained in the design, selection, transformation, use, and application of different engineered materials. They have the knowledge to make the characterization of materials and use this concept for the optimization and adaptation of various production processes. In addition, they have the tools to solve problems related to material failures. Profile of a materials engineer: design and develop traditional and new materials for use in engineer and optimize their use in their service environment. Improve materials, processes, and durability of products, scientific and more effective use. The basic subjects are those referred to fields of science and disciplines which offer the theoretical and methodological foundation for professional training. The professional subjects are referred to or correspond to areas and fields of knowledge that get specific to a profession. As a result of experience, tradition, and academic conventions consolidate respect communities. Professional electives are those that allow to depend in a certain area or field of a profession. Complementary electives are those oriented to develop of the intellectual, emotional, ethical, physical potential of the student and that simulate the develop as a person and citizen.
Hey guys, my name is Alejandro and I'm going to talk about the curriculum of my career. The academic program of electronic engineering seeks to educate and form us as professionals with an integral, professional, scientific, ethical, and social training with a creative and critical sense, which allows us to develop our innovation and labor capacities to contribute to the scientific, technological, economic and social progress of the region and the country. As a good example, the workplaces of electronic engineers are just as varied as the type of work they do. Electronic engineers may be found in the pristine laboratory environment of a fabrication plant, the office of a consulting firm, or in a research laboratory. During their working life, electronic engineers may find themselves supervising a wide range of individuals, including scientists, electricians, computer programmers, and other engineers.
Finally, I'm going to talk about the biology career, but first, it is important to understand what is biology. Biology is the science that studies life in all its forms at a very high level of complexity, from the structures and function at the molecular level, through the systematic and morphological classification of species, until reaching the knowledge of ecosystem at the biosphere. Biology strives to understand the fundamentals and relationships that exist between living beings. A biologist is a professional who has extensive experience in laboratory experimentation, analysis of results, and formulation of hypotheses and problems. Some of the competencies that a biologist has are analytical capacity, synthesis capacity, logical reasoning, attention to detail, also creativity and innovation, visual and auditory memory capacity, numeral skills, spatial and mechanical skills, and adaptation and management of techniques and technology. Biology is a very broad science and has different fields of application. Some of these fields are health field. A biologist can perform all clinical laboratory activities, in centers of human reproduction and public animal or plant health. The most relevant positions are biochemical, laboratory technician, and bioethic specialists, agricultural field and environment. If you are interested in planning and automation for consumption, you can work in the agricultural industry. Study genetic improvements and reproductive performance of plants and animals. Also, the cultivation, reproduction, and conservation of species of all kinds, from microbes to animals, has a commercial side. The most relevant positions are conservationists and botanical. Teaching field, biology studies all education levels, from secondary to postgraduate degrees. The most relevant are elementary school teacher, high school teacher, and college professor.
Having a degree is only the first step to become a good professional. For that reason, there are some tips. First, have a commitment to work and fulfill the functions that are assigned. Secondly, constantly seek new knowledge. Be sure to spend your interest. Continuing to train and learn is a positive attitude that can lead to growth, contributing to others or simply to yourself. Third, in an increasingly globalized world, have knowledge of another language, and very important, mainly English. And finally, have good values. With them you become not only a good professional, also a great human being.